Hello students. So today we will be discussing about project execution plan. But before going to project execution plan, we will see where this project execution plan comes, or what is the phase in which the project execution plan comes in the project management. Initially we started with the project charter. So we know what is a project charter. So if you look into the project charter, we have a diagram of project charter here. So all these things, that is a project scope, the different managers, project description, okay, time frame, all these things will come into the project charter. So once the project charter is established, so next step is how you are going to define a project. So what the project will include, or what are the different tools of the project, that we have discussed in the initial videos in this particular chapter. So here if you look into the project, we have these following tools, or we are using these tools to develop the project. So when it comes to project planning and execution, the first ever step is work breakdown structure. What is a work breakdown structure? We have discussed already. It is dividing the work into a number of steps. So that is what we can call it as a project work down structure. Now we will go back to the slides. Once again we will go back to the previous slides here. Just a minute. Now if you look into the project development, as we know, in the last video we have discussed about the project breakdown structure. And what is project breakdown structure, how the projects are broken down into the groups, all these topics we have discussed. Now we are going for the next topic in this one, that is next phase of the project development, that is project execution plan. Before executing the project, how the project is executed, that is designed in the project execution plan. Now here actually it is an exercise of matching the project hardware, software with executing agencies, so that a viable work system emerges. So viable means worthwhile. Okay. Now what is project execution plan, or how it is conducted, that is a question here. As it is discussed, it is an exercise of matching hardware with the software with the executing agencies. It includes 4 stages: contracting plan, work packaging plan, organization plan, system and procedure plan. Means if it is asked about what is the project execution plan, all these 4 things has to be defined. Okay. Now this is the project execution plan. Actually the project execution is a strategic plan, and it is not dealing with the operational details of the budgeting of building a project. It has nothing to do with the operational details. So here actually the operational details, whatever we have discussed in the previous topic. So we know work breakdown structure and operation details. I will just go back and see here. So operation details are step-by-step executions of the project. Actually the operation details are not covered in the project execution plan. These are covered in the network plan, which are developed later after the project execution plan is approved. So before starting a project, the project execution means how we are going to execute a project, that is defined in the project execution plan, and that will be approved by the owner. Means owner should be satisfied, okay, if with this plan the project can be executed in a proper way. Now once again we will go back and we will see what is the project execution plan. That is project execution plan includes 4 different stages. One is contracting plan, work packaging plan, organizational plan, and system and procedure plan. So what is how these particular stages will be conducted and how it will be planned or designed in the project execution plan, this concept we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching this.